Hello kids! Today we are going to learn the English alphabet and beautiful colors together. Are you ready? Let's read the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, O. Something is missing. Can you tell me what comes after X? Now it's time to trace the letters with colorful markers. I am using a red marker. Let's trace the letter A with the red marker. Now it's time for B. I am using a blue marker. Let's trace the letter B. Awesome! Let's trace the letter C. This is the color yellow. Trace carefully. Excellent! Let's trace the letter D. I'm using a light green marker. Now let's trace E. This is sky blue color. Great job! Next is letter F. I'm using a pink marker. Let's trace. Now let's trace G. I'm using an orange marker. Now let's use our colorful markers again and continue tracing the next letters together. Let's trace the letter H. Finally, let's trace X. Great job! Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute Peppa Pig ballerina step by step. First, draw Peppa Pig's nose and make a nice rounded oval shape. Draw two cute ears on the top of the head. Now draw two round eyes and add long beautiful eyelashes. Add a big smiling mouth to make Peppa look happy. Now draw the upper part of Peppa's dress. Next, draw the big wavy ballerina skirt under the dress. hand. Now draw the right arm and the other open hand. Draw one straight leg and a ballet shoe at the bottom. Now draw the second raised leg with another ballet shoe. Finally, make the entire outer outline nice and bold using your black marker. Draw long curved lines on the skirt to give it a beautiful ballerina look. Now let's start coloring. Color the dress bright pink. Add a soft pink circle on Peppa's cheek. Color the skirt a beautiful green. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Finally, color both ears and ballet shoes bright pink. Wow! Our adorable Peppa Pig ballerina is ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.